If you're thinking about using Google Calendar to track your homework assignments, I'm going to show you a few ways that might help. First thing, of course, you want to do is come to calendar.google.com, and then I'm going to click on this Create button. I'm going to add the title. This will just be homework. You could actually divide this up into two different daily events. Let's say you wanted to do some homework right after school and then do some homework later in the evening. You could actually set this same thing I'm doing now, set it up for two different times, and just go all through the steps for both times. And that way you have um, a little break between your homework stints. But I'm going to say, so this is just in the future. Let's say this starts on Wednesday, December 23rd, and I want to start my homework at 2:30. And let's say I want to plan on doing my homework until about 3:15. I do want this to repeat, so I'm going to change does not repeat by clicking on custom, and I want this to repeat every week. I could choose every day, but I actually don't want this to appear every day. I just want it to be weekdays. I don't want it to be Saturday, but let's say I do want it to be on Sunday, just in case I have anything to do for Monday morning. And then I'm going to have this go all the way until the end of school. And I don't know the exact end of school date, so I'm just going to choose the 30th of June. And then, so you can see that sets weekly on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, blah, blah, blah. So that's all set up. Now I want to make sure that I set this on the right calendar. For me, this is the right calendar. That's my Westwood calendar. For you, it will be your own school account. And I want to make sure I have a notification set so I can choose the amount of time before this event. So I'm just going to say 5 minutes. I don't need a lot of notification time. Under custom, I just want to see, I can have it pop up. This notification should pop something up on your phone if you're doing this on your phone. If you prefer, you can set up a notification to go to your email, which might also pop up on your phone. Or you can actually do both. So I can set up a regular notification for 5 minutes, and then I can add a notification, and I can change that one to be go to custom, and then choose this to be an email so that I get both. Now, keep in mind that will be an email that you get every single day. So you might not want that. You might just want the phone notification. So the last thing I'm going to do is add a description. And in the description, this is where you would change this every single day. I can add, what's my ELA homework, what's my math homework, and I save this, which I'll do now. You can see it pops in starting on the date that I started it, 2:30 to 3:15 homework. If I click on it, I can see that I have ELA and math. So let's say I found out what my homework will be. I would go in and edit this. And then I can actually come in here and say ELA is free chapter 1 and math is page 234. And I would save that. You can see it asks me, do you want to change that on this event or all events? I can choose just this event. And so now when I click into that one, I can see exactly what my homework is that night. And then when I click into tomorrow, that's blank again. So now I can go in when I find out tomorrow's homework, I can edit that and add it here. Then you can see that that goes on. If I click forward in my calendar, that just goes on all the way until the 30th of June. If on any given day I don't have any homework, I can click on it, I can hit the trash can, and again, it's going to always ask, do you want to do that just for this particular one or for all of them? And I do only want to do the one. So when I delete that, it disappears, but all the rest stay.